welcome to or back to the List Perfectly channel. If you're new here, I am Bae. I am an intern here at List Perfectly, and I do a series on this channel where we talk all things thrifted trends. So today we are going to do things a little bit different here on this series. We are going to be talking about Etsy, which is another marketplace that you can cross-post to while using List Perfectly. Today we're not going to be focusing on just styling one trend. Instead, we are going to go through the Etsy app and look at all the different trends that are on there right now, and I am going to talk to you guys about the top 10 trends that are on there. So the first trend that we're going to be talking about today is very on brand with the 2020 year, and that is face masks. So face masks, whether you are kind of mandated right now in your state to continue to wear one, or you're just wearing one for your personal preference, it's something that is definitely going to probably be part of our norm for up and coming months or even coming years, just depending on how things go. And a fun way to add a little twist to this is by getting some that are fun and personalized to you. So I have actually picked up a couple on Etsy beforehand because I do wear them for work and everything. So I have two of them here. They are both a designer pattern. So the first one I have is this white Gucci one. I'm really into fashion and stuff, so having some that are like the designer brand is really cool without being the designer price. So I have this white Gucci one that I got off Etsy, and then from the same person I got a black Dior one. And the nice thing about these are I have a very small face, so I found it very hard to find masks that actually fit me. So it's really nice because these actually have the little adjustable ear sides to them. The next trend that we are going to be talking about is home decor. I love Etsy for home decor. They have some of the cutest decor pieces for an affordable price. I really am into the farmhouse, like rustic style, and they have a lot of signs from different resellers or different shops on there. So I'm just going to go through some of them and show you guys what you can find on there. There's like little pampas grass, which is very on trend, but can be very expensive from other places. There's customizable pieces. So because it's already October, it is the first month of all the holidays coming up. It's a perfect time to use marketplaces like Etsy to find some holiday gift ideas, because if you're anything like me, you probably wait until last minute to start your holiday shopping, which can be very stressful. So having it right at the tip of your fingertips can be very useful. And the nice thing about Etsy is that there's a lot of personalized products on there, so you can always make a gift a little bit more special by adding a personalized detail to it. So the next trend is self-care, and I know a lot of people were either in quarantine or are still working from home, so it can be a little bit difficult to find when your day starts and stops, because a lot of people no longer have that drive home to kind of end their workday. So having self-care is a really important way to kind of get through this time, especially once the cold weather starts to hit as well and we can't be outside as much. So one of the things I really love to do is to focus on self-care and just treating myself a little bit. The fifth trend is something that is very trendy. You've seen in celebrities all over Instagram, whatever it may be, and that is some personalized jewelry. And this is something that I really love and partake in. So I have a few pieces that I have purchased off of Etsy that I would love to show you guys. The first is this pendant necklace. The chain did not come with it, but I just purchased like an affordable chain that matched it, and I got it in gold because I am definitely a gold jewelry girl. But I just got a personalized bee, and I wear this all the time. It's one of my go-to necklaces to layer with. And then one of my friends actually just opened up her own Etsy shop, so I went ahead and supported her. And her first launch were these little dangly hoops that have a personalized initial on them. Another thing that I find very important, and I know a lot of the people who work at List Perfectly also find important, are eco-friendly products. As a reselling business and a marketplace site, we really talk about sustainability and trying to find ways to shift to a more sustainable lifestyle within our own lives. So Etsy has a lot of eco-friendly, zero-waste alternatives that you can start to incorporate into your everyday life for an affordable price. So again, with quarantine and COVID, it has been a year of people starting to do projects at home, and Etsy is a great place to find some DIY kits that you might want to do at home, especially if you have children. And I know a lot of kids are either learning virtually at home and might have a little bit more free time. It's a great way to incorporate some DIY kits, hands-on kits that you can start to do with them to keep them busy, because it is a little bit of a difficult time. And again, tying into that, there is also a big trending popular section on there for your outdoor area, whether it be just finding some gardening pieces or some decor items that you might want to revamp your outdoor living space. I know that has been something that was really huge this summer, while people were either stuck in quarantine or working from home. So another trend that is going on right now is hair accessories. I absolutely love these. I am super lazy when it comes to doing my hair, although I did do it today, and it's not cooperating all that well. But I love being able to find hair accessories that make it look like you put in a little bit more effort, but really there's not much to it. So I actually got these off of Etsy, and they are these little hair clips. These have been very on trend, and they have so many different unique ones on Etsy for an affordable price. On top of that, they also have just some regular headbands. So I have this one here, just a nice little mustard color. This color has been very on trend. And then lastly, this headscarf or scarf, little satin silk scarf that you can wear either in your hair as like a little headband, tie it in with your ponytail, tie it like a bandana. You could also wear this a bunch of different ways. I think another important thing this year is that it really opened our eyes on the importance in supporting and fighting for the Black community. And one of the awesome things about Etsy is that they have a little category on the home explore page on there focusing on all Black owned reseller businesses or Black owned shops on there. Alright, now I'm going to show you guys how to cross post to Etsy by using List Perfectly. And first we're just going to go in and create a template and upload the photos. And then create a title for your piece. Adding in all the descriptions such as the brand, the color, and material and size, as well as a little bit more of a detailed description. You're going to want to take more time with this, but I just made it a little bit easier just because I was doing it for a demo of this video. And then scrolling down, we're going to just create the price for it. And then there's other information that you can add in and then save it. Hit those two little green arrows and then whatever place you want to go to. And I went to Etsy, obviously. And then you're just going to start filling out some of the more detailed parts on Etsy's listing page. And then once all that is completed, you're just going to hit save. And then there is your item. Alright guys, that is it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe down below, and happy listing. See you guys next time. Bye!